Guys, this is quite exciting to see right now. I'm not sure how good or bad is it gonna be on the long run. And yes, what you see is actually really written right there. Developed in collaboration between the TOR project and Mullvad VPN. And we get Mullvad Browser. What is Mullvad Browser? I just found about it recently myself. Seems to be another browser similar to what Brave is doing, but made by Malvad, the actually really good VPN. I've tried it and I'm not sponsored by them or anything, so I'm not gonna try to sell it to you, but so far it's been really good. And let's go to a very offending website when it comes to ads, because for some reason a lot of companies try to put ads and stuff on speed test. And let's hit speedtest.net, hit enter. Usually speed test has a million ads around it, and no ads. No ads. Or whatever you want to call those things that just creep around. There's none of them. And yes, it does similar to what Brave is doing. And here we have the options. This is the shield. You can go in and change it. I left it to saver. You can do it standard or the safest, which is only allowing websites features required for static sites and basic services. And that is really interesting. There's so many settings that you can go through here. Home. Mullvad Browser Home, you can do a custom URL, new tab, just like what you have in other browsers. Use the address bar or use the bar in a toolbar. I like the whole address bar. DuckDuckGo, or you can do Mullvad Leda. So let me get to the other settings. And here you can reset your identity. This one definitely comes from Tor, because if you ever use Tor, Tor has that ability to wipe everything and assume a new ID on the browser, which I think it's very helpful to a lot of people. You can do never ask me again, so next time you hit this magic duster here, it will just reset everything on the browser. And here's Malvad encrypted. This is, by the way, not my stuff. Yes, provider is a VPN. But if you had Malvad VPN, it will have your VPN integrated right here. And here are the ads that we see, for example, on sites. Let me go to speed test that had a lot of ads. And as you see, 9 of them right here. And here's a list of the ads that are actually attempting to put their trackers and whatnot in your browser. And as you see right here, it actually lists them. Now, Brave does a similar job. As you see right here, let me go to speed test. And let's see here when speed test opens. Speed test only finds 7 of them, looks like, right here. And in those, I don't see, except for going here and filtering, I don't see where it lists them. 7 trackers, and you can learn more. And that's pretty much all it says. It doesn't really give you all the trackers that are trying to get into your browser. Which I'm not saying Brave is not good, but Malvad is going a step further to actually give you a whole list of them, what they do, who they are, and all that stuff. And you can red flag it here to get rid of it, to erase it, lock it, and all that stuff. In my case, I'm not gonna change it yet. Here you can add or take out speedtest.net itself here. This is really good. I am not gonna lie, I'm really baffled how nice they made it. Here's the picker for probably mostly for developers and testers and all that. You can pick stuff around, and as you see, boom, it's gone. I don't see it being used by the general people, as you see right there. Let me just have a little bit more fun with it. For example, let's say you're doing a tutorial on speed test and there is some certain things you don't want to show. And as you see, I took all the names here and now I can go ahead and do this one, which I'm not gonna keep doing because that's not the point here. I just have fun playing with it. And Mullvad Browser is this one right here. Let me open a new one and let me do YouTube. Let me see what it does with YouTube ads. I am not pro blocking YouTube ads because, especially for us YouTubers, that's the only way we can actually get paid. Unless you're a Red or YouTube Red, whatever they call that, member, then yeah, then it's different story. And if you notice something here in the browser, remember how Tor does that? That tells you always don't put the window of the browser for the whole screen. As you see here, not the whole screen is filled with a browsing page itself. So it's supposed to not be identifiable. And I don't see the first or front page ads here, as you see. And it's gone through 20 of them here so far. Looks like YTI image, static, these are other things here. And let me just, I don't know, let me click a video. Allow youtube.com, allow HTTPs. I'm gonna click allow. This thing really takes it serious. This thing doesn't play. And let me click OK on the video and see. I'm gonna block the voice, and there's no ads. Unfortunately for this guy, there's no ads right now, but of course, when I watch videos, I actually watch them with ads because I want them to make money. The same way I want to make money on YouTube, I want people that I watch and get value from YouTube to make money too. Now, these YouTube suggestions here are kind of interesting. I'm not gonna leave this page on for too long, but I'm just saying these are interesting, and I think this is really interesting and nice as a browser. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below so you guys can go check it yourselves. And with that said, I just hope you like this video, and we will see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe. Bye.